It says that it can be submerged fully up to 6.6 feet. It comes with some instructions. The instructions definitely give you good information on how to properly use this case to make sure that your device stays free of water. A bit tough to open the case, but that makes sense because you want it to stay nice and tight and closed all the time. Inside the case itself, they provide a strap, a little cloth to use to clean your phone and the case, and then replacement little plastic barriers that go here in the bottom of the case to keep your speaker and mic free from water. It does come with some already installed. These are just replacements. Next, you're going to make sure that you press very firmly on the case so that it clicks into all of the corners. I like it so far because it is definitely a little bit bigger than your standard case, but it isn't super bulky. It has a nice matte finish to it. It has this little flap here so that you can still charge it while you have this case on. Now let's go test it with some water. We're gonna dip it in the water and then open up the case and see if any water got on our phone. Dry off the excess water, and then let's open it up to see how dry my phone is. Looks pretty dry to me. It's definitely high quality and very well made. This case is going to work very nicely if you are looking for a strong waterproof case.